My parents were Holocaust survivors. My father often let us know that he was treated inhumanely, like a schmata, a rag, something used, worn out, unwanted, damaged, devalued, and discarded. As a child, I caught levels of meaning in his words that were not accessible until later years. His comparison of a human being to a rag made a big impact. He helped me to understand the vulnerability of cloth and people. His words made me an advocate for human rights. When I began making textile art in 1998, hooking was my sole technique. I took a medium, discarded clothing, and a process, rug hooking, that were both totally devalued and discredited. I showed that there was value in them by creating beautiful and meaningful work. I took rugs, a metaphor for downtrodden humanity, off the floor. I reinvented and transformed rags into emotional narrative portraits that were celebrated on the walls of museums and fine galleries. Nowadays, I explore the interplay of multiple textile techniques, including hooking, hand sewing, crochet, embroidery, and collage. My studio is a place of silence, but my textiles talk. Textiles are my language. Discarded clothing is my paint.